today is probably the first time you hear me talking on this channel. I decided to do this makeup look. It's kind of a spring makeup look because here it's really hot and it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be spring, it's supposed to be cooler and nice, and it's not. It's really hot. I'm wearing long sleeves. Today it's not long sleeves weather. I hate it. And I just wanted to be over, I wanted to be cooler, and so I did this makeup to make myself feel better. I also have this beautiful flower crown that I wanted to use but never did, and I think this makeup is the right time to use it. So I had lots of fun, and I hope you do too, so let's get into the video. Why would you stop me? いつも君は知らんぷりで私を救うネオンテッドライト